So today is a very special day, ladies and gentlemen. If you haven't noticed already, we literally hit 30,000 subscribers on the channel today, just a couple hours ago. Very cool stuff. I don't even know what to say. I've been doing this for quite a bit of time now, and when I started this, I never really was like, hey, I'm gonna have, this awesome community where I get to help all these people, and there's going to be 30,000 people that I'm going to be able to reach with the tutorials, help people out, and also at the same time kind of make them laugh while I'm doing that. And I never once was like, hey, there's going to be 30,000 people that's going to be watching these videos. And I don't even know what to say. Like, thank you guys. That's really cool. I don't even know what to say. If you follow my other places along the internet web states, you know that I've talked about stuff like this before, but I really appreciate you guys. Really cool stuff. And with that, I want to make an announcement. So because of the celebration of 30,000 subscribers here on TBK, what I want to do is I want to do kind of a art showcase kind of thing. So I want you guys to send me your art, and then I'm going to feature them on the channel, because I thought that'd be a lot of fun to do. But the way we're going to do this is I have an email set up, and the email is art@TutsByKai.com. And you can send stuff to that, but don't send it to that actual email. What I want you to do is you have to go to WeTransfer.com. I'll leave the links down in the description. You have to go to WeTransfer.com and then enter that email into there. Insert your email. Type a message real quick, hit upload the file, boom. You don't have to create an account. It's super easy. You go to the website, you'll see. You don't have to do anything. It's super easy to do. It's probably even more easier than email, to be honest with you. But the only reason I'm having you guys do it through that is because I've gotten some really weird emails in the past, and I really just don't want to open up random images and random pictures and stuff from my email, because I don't know you guys would be sending me sometimes. So yeah, so send it to the WeTransfer. If you send it through the email, I'm just not gonna be able to open it up. So definitely send it through the WeTransfer if you want to do it. But yeah, you can send me any type of art that you've made. I would love to take a look at them. We'll just do these videos every once in a while where I just take a look at you guys' art. We'll talk about it, and we'll just have a great time, just showcasing you guys' art. Of course, I'll give you guys credit, tell you hey, this is this person, this is that person. I just thought that'd be really cool. A couple people have mentioned this like a long time ago, like years ago, and I thought it'd be a lot of fun to do. And 30,000 is definitely the way to do it. So send it to, once again, art@TutsByKai.com. I'll leave the link and the email down in the description to WeTransfer. Like I said, it's super easy. Head there, enter your email, enter that email I just told you. You can insert a message if you want to. You can also upload an image or multiple images and then just shoot it on over to me, and it'll feature it. As long as it's YouTube appropriate, of course. You guys know what I'm talking about. Don't be sending me those nude artworks, okay? But anyway, yeah, that's gonna be it for today's not tutorial, just thank you 30,000 video, also update video, also announcement video, I guess. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one, but until then, 30,000.